today I'm going to be doing a video on how you can sell products on Etsy without no physical inventory. So you do not need to grab a product, package it, send it out to customers, deal with each sort of order. Everything's done for you automatically. All your products are printed. My bad for the burp there, just sort of burp down the mic. But all your products are printed, every single one. And Etsy's easy to set up. You don't have to get ranking. There's already a search engine in there, so if people are searching trying to buy things, then they can find what they want. And yeah, so what we're going to be doing is masks. Now, whatever you think about masks, I'm not so keen on the idea of thinking that it's going to stop coronavirus myself. However, in the UK and a lot of countries, they're mandatory. Well, the UK, they're becoming mandatory in shops and stuff, and it'd probably go even further. Same for the US. Same for there's quite a lot of countries that you literally legally have to wear them. You literally legally have to wear a mask. Logan, your little brother's shouting in the background, so that's probably what you can hear in the background. But no, that's what we're dealing with today. We're going to be doing masks. We're going to do our best to do print on demand. So getting custom products that people can actually put whatever image you want onto it and print their own design off. So we're going to do our best to do that on Etsy. And we're also going to be showing you how to sell custom design masks, upsells, and how to properly sell everything, and how to beat your competitors online. So that's what we're going to do today. So I've made an account. If you don't know how to make an account, then it's quite simple. All you got to do is put your email address, your name, and everything else in. Now you click sell on Etsy, and then click open your Etsy shop right here. There we go. Right, you want to select your language. So we're going to select English, British pounds. Selling is my full time, which these, but I sell part time, and that's how I like it. So do whatever works for you. I mean, if you don't have a job right now, this is a way to make money. Obviously because of the recession and everything, there's a limit on everything that you can get. So we're going to type in custom masks. Check availability. So smile masks for you. Smiling masks. So we're going to put a custom design like a smile on it. Not available. Smiling masks for you. Yeah, that's available. Right. So now you click add a listing. And here's where the good stuff starts. Right. So what we're gonna do is what I'm gonna be using is Printful and Printify. So these are both print on demand fulfillment things that you can link with your Shopify and Amazon FBA and everything like that. But today we're just going to be using it for Etsy because I'm showing you guys a simple way to set it up if you don't know any website development skills. You want to sign up for Printful and Printify. Well, you can do either one, but today we're going to do both. So for the custom masks, type it in there. We're going to go for this all over print net gated, it's called. And the selling thing that we're going to be doing on this is the fact that we're going to be saying that you can actually pull it up and you don't need to have it behind your ears. Because if you see like social media, a lot of people are complaining about the fact that it's behind your ears and everything. Right, so to sign up to Printful, all you got to do is put your full name in and your email address and everything like that. So I'll put it in. Once you've confirmed your email for Printful, firstly you have to choose a product. So all you gotta do is upload an image. So here's a little image I made before. I cut it out with Photoshop, just a smile transparent image, and you upload it. Once it's uploaded, you gotta click on the file and then you can continue. Okay, it's uploaded. You gotta click choose. Okay. Right, and we want it like that, yeah. Look in the middle. Look at the mock-up view. It's not really worked out that well there. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to try and customize it. So see what it says there. Mock-up view. What we want to do is get the smile literally on where the mask is. What is going on here, man? Okay. Like, why can't you see? So you can see on that. Okay, maybe it needs to be flipped. I don't know why, but it might need to. So all you gotta do is have a little play about with it. Figure out why it's not working. And then keep on looking in the mock-up view to see how it looks. Okay, right. Okay, so we sort of sorted it out now. Obviously, it's not the best, but we get more of an idea. We gotta pull it up this way. Okay, right, so we're nearly got it now. Just get the mask, get it a tiny bit higher. That should be alright. So let's try it again. My bad, I'm eating a breadstick as I'm doing this. There we go. Right, sorted. Now, while we've got that, what we need to do before we put everything up is we need to copy all the images to put on our Etsy store to create a new listing. So what you want to do is open some sort of a image editing software like Photoshop or Affinity Photo. What you want to do, I'm just going to quickly Google the best Etsy sizes, Etsy image size for listings. I'm not too sure of it myself. Is that right? No, bro. Images is 2048 by 2048, and this helps because if it's larger images, if it's a larger image, users can zoom in and look at the product properly. Because most of the time, that's what people do. They zoom into the product, mostly on desktop. So once you've copied the image over, you want to paste it in, and you just want to make all these images dead quick. Just the ones that can help create your listing, basically. So I'll speed through this. We've made it right now. Once you've made a little product template, once you've gone to your product templates, you've made it here, and it should be all ready to go. Now the only thing left to do is add it to the store. So what you got to do is link your Printful account with your Etsy. You get your photos and add them to the photos in your listing. And obviously the smile it looks a bit weird, but I reckon people will find it funny. It's just a little example. So we could make a video here. However, we don't have the product yet. So what we'll do in a future video, if you'd like to subscribe and check this out, is subscribe. What we'll do in a future video is how to make an actual sales advertisement for your product. So we're going to be able to make it for Facebook, we're going to be able to make it for Etsy, we're going to be able to make it for Amazon, just to showcase your product and sell it to your customer. So we'll be going through that in a future video, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's get this listing done. So smiling face mask. Who made it? Another company or person. What is it? A finished product. When was it made? Made to order. You can only pick one category. Okay, so masks, face backs and coverings, and you want to choose a primary colour as white. I made a little Shopify store as well, just briefly. So what we can do is take what I said in the Shopify store and put it into the actual description for the Etsy store. Right, now I'll put it in it. So what you want to do once you put the description is you want to highlight key benefits about it. So go on to the product info on Printful and take out some of these information here. So breathable fabric, and then write a bit more about it. So one of the main problems that people have with normal face masks is the fact that they struggle to breathe through the fabric, causing people to feel anxious, have loss of breath, and to also have panic attacks. Our mask make it easy for people to breathe through, as it uses 95% polyester. That's one key benefit. go back again. It's washable and reusable. Usable. Unlike many other face masks that are available on the market. They are completely washable. So what we're going to be using, doing is taking this disclaimer as well, because it's not actually scientifically proven that these masks can stop coronavirus. Same with the surgical masks. They actually recommend cloth masks. What we can say about this product is that you can actually breathe through it, and if you put this on when going into a shop, store or anything like that, then you're not going to get fined £100 just for going in a store. And it's also easy to breathe in, and it helps. And now we want to sort the price out. So you want to be going for 100% to 200% price margin. Most of the masks are like £9.99, because this is £10.74 or something like that. We're gonna sell it for £19.99. So we need to also check the product delivery times. So what you can say is the delivery time. You can say 3 to 5 business days for processing, because it says 4 days. And I believe there is a delivery price on it. Actually, let's do a fixed price. So one item will do £2. We'll do £1.89 for the shipping price. Yeah, man. Right, there we go. Done. That's done. We've got that now. So now I'm going to be going through ways on how to link your Printful account with your Etsy store. Right, so what you're going to do is click on integrations, go to online marketplaces, click on Etsy, and then what you want to do is click connect to Etsy store, then connect to Etsy. And then you want to click allow access.